it's Jennifer and my trusty assistant. We are going to make a placemat today. This is a great activity to help kids learn where things go on a placemat, to help set the table as a chore, and to work on tracing skills and some folding skills with the napkin. So first of all, I have it set up for her so that she knows what it is, and then we're gonna how it goes, and we're gonna start with the plate, and she's going to use a crayon to trace around. So using both hands to hold that plate down. Perfect. So there's our plate. And next we have the knife right here. You might, standing up might help, or I can help you hold it. There you go. Perfect. Yep. And here's the spoon. On the outside of the knife. That's okay. Perfect. There you go. And here is the cup. Yeah, just keep it still so that when you trace it, it stays on the paper. This is just a plain piece of paper that I found. If you can cover it with contact paper to laminate it, you can do that. Otherwise, don't worry about it. All right, so folding is one of those skills that is developmentally appropriate. So we're going to teach her how to take the napkin, here you go, and fold it in half so that the two ends meet, and then there you go. And then we're going to put it right here and have you trace that. And then we're going to trace the fork on top of the napkin. So, a lot of my kids at school have a goal to carry their lunch tray for strength, for coordination, for attending, because the lunchroom is typically very, very loud. So I thought we could use this tray to have the kids help set the table. So you can stack plates on here, silverware, cups, and have them carry it to work on that same skill so that they're carrying over that skill. It is a great chore for a preschooler to set the table. And here is our placemat. Hopefully you can see it. So now she is going to set the table for dinner. Thank you. Keep going with your kids. Keep on working on strengthening and activities of daily living. And you will continue to find results, and they will be independent and helpful. Thanks. Stay safe. Wash your hands and clean up.